Alright, today we're going to be unboxing some JBC tips. I ordered some replacement tips for the main ones I use the most. Plus I ordered some really small fine tips. I think it's the smallest one on the JBCs. I believe that would be this one right here. I mean, it's so small of a tip. Sure, my autofocus is off, but yeah, it's really small fine. And I ordered a couple of these for the tweezers. Currently I just use the blade ones right here. This is good for like bigger capacitors. But I wanted some that were really small for the JBC tweezers. So I didn't order these directly from JBC. I ordered them from, it's called Test Quality. E-Equipment, whatever, I don't know the name of that stuff, but it's the other site that houses all the JBC stuff too. Where I bought my the newer tip cleaner from. Nice packing. What I don't like is you don't get the plastic cases no more, you know. I would imagine, especially with the C21002 tips, you would think they would have cases because you could easily damage these. But from what I understand, you can still purchase the cases. But when they went to this cardboard stuff, I thought it was just kind of gay. So here's I think it was like roughly so this is the company I ordered from. It never tell you the prices on the invoice. I don't know, I think I paid around like close to $400 or something. $450 or something. I can't remember. So we got all our tips here. That's just packaging. These all taped up. So this is the C245966 JBC tip. That's this big guy right here, which works awesome for like really heavy ground planes, especially for like, I use these for the HDMI ports, for the anchor points. Just a lot of power on this tip. So I want to make sure I have an extra one of these in case this dies, you know, obviously. This one's been worn pretty good, but still holding up. So yeah, that's that big guy right there. That's what this one looks like. It has like kind of like a little cup in there to hold the solder. This one's a C210030. I think. Yeah, that's this one right here. So I ordered another one of these. This one, I have it set for 350 and it's overshooting. It's going up to like 450, and then it's going up to like almost 600 degrees sometimes. I see it on the JBC station. So I know this tip is probably just faulty. I've used it a lot. I gotta say that's the first JBC tip that I've seen that just overshoots in range. So that's kind of concerning. So I just ordered another one of those because I use that tip a lot. And then this, why do they have those? You heat shrink them all together. That's weird. And I bet these are, yeah, the small one. That's the one that I showed you previously. So I got 2 of those, which I'm gonna put in the tweezers. And this a blade tip. This is nice for BGA work. Say for a video chip. Wicking up and stuff like that. Works really good. That's this tip right here. Big blade tip. And that's a C245913. That's the bladed tip, the big bladed tip. This one I haven't tried out. I don't have this one. This one's a C245931. We'll take a look at that one. It's supposed to be kind of like a little bigger than this one. I think it measures, yeah, at 2.7. It's got the little coupling in there. There's solder in it right now, but it's got some weight to it. So I'll probably end up liking this one big time. Big open, they have seals. So yeah, we got our small guys here. Oh, these tips do come in an extra different cardboard to stop them from getting damaged during shipping. I was kind of wondering that. That's nice. Look at that. Look how small that tip is. I'll just grab a quarter, kind of show you. Yeah, that's super small tips. Yeah, I figure with using these for the tweezers, you know, you could go angle the tips a little bit and you get a little bit bigger mass area, and then you got your smaller area. So I think it would be kind of good for the tweezers. So I find myself the blade ones that I have in there, it's sometimes I need them smaller. So we just grab our tweezers here. Pop these out. Yeah, these blade tips, if you want to know what they are, they're C210 018. Well, the paramedics just went by. Wonder if it was my buddy John. You gotta make sure you're not stabbing yourself with these. That's about good right there. Probably go in just a little bit. Same thing with this one. Looks about good. Lock them in place. Sorry, I haven't seated in all the way. They're about even. This just stops them from twisting. I had the adjustable tweezer ones. I didn't like those. Those were garbage. They were always offset. You know, slanted too much. And they would always stick. But these are nice. These are the PA 120s. Satisfaction clicking. But yeah. That'll be a lot more useful for smaller resistors and stuff like that on PlayStation boards, game console boards. You gotta make sure not to drop the tweezers. But yeah, that's basically the unboxing of some tips of the JBC, the ones normally I use. You know, I have like tons of other ones too. But I'm not going to go over all those. But I do like how they ship these within like a little bit of a cardboard. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.